Simple definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence and perform smart tasks without being explicitly programmed for every situation. Okay. So, like, in traditional programming, you have some code, okay, and you give some input and it will generate some output on basis of that code only. Whatever the code is written, whatever the logic rules you have put in the code, on basis of that only you will get the result. But when we talk about AI, okay, AI system, so here you have trained this AI system with some data. It has identified some patterns, got some knowledge, so there is some intelligence is built. Okay, so there is some artificial intelligence is built on basis of the training given to this AI system. So now whenever you give any input, it will use that intelligence and generate some output. Okay, so few examples. If you think about YouTube recommendations, so when you watch tech videos on YouTube, AI learns your interests and start recommending similar videos automatically. So this is one example of AI. And another thing is, if you see, when your phone recognizes your face and unlocks automatically, that is also one example of AI. Okay, so to watch more videos on AI related concepts, go to my YouTube playlist and learn AI.